Once, Buddha was lecturing his disciples about the principle of life. Then the man was watching Buddha and suddenly he said, "Your principle is not useful to them, you are just fooling them for your own benefit." Buddha asked the man, "What happened? Why are you so angry? Tell me your problem." This man said to the Gautam Buddha, "The inspiration you gave to the disciples is temporary. They only remember it for few hours or few days. But after that, they will forget whatever you told them." Then the Buddha smiled and asked the man to come closer and ask him, "May I ask you some questions? I will not take much of your time." The man sat down in front of Buddha and the Buddha asked the man, "Has anyone in your life said very bad words to you?" The man suddenly said, "Yeah, how could I forget those words? My elder brother said to me 5 years ago. Very bad words were said to me earlier when we used to fight for the farm." Then the Buddha smiled again and asked the man, "If motivational words are temporary, then how can you not forget the bad words which were given by your older brother? Because they were also temporary. If you can't forget those nasty words your older brother said 5 years ago, then how can one forget inspirational and motivational words? Maybe they remember my words only for a few hours or a few days. But when you hear the same thing over and over again, it will stay in your mind forever and you will automatically remember it whenever you need it. Because whatever we see or hear, we never forget. It is always there in our mind. We just need to recall it." Now the man understood that he was wrong. Inspirational lectures are not temporary. They are always stores in our conscious mind. This is Way to Succeed, Motivational Stories. Thank you so much for watching.